Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do this updated wash and go. So if you'd like to see more, please stay tuned. So starting off, here is my hair freshly washed and conditioned. This is the natural texture and curl pattern of my hair without it being defined. So I'm going to start by just adding some more water and moisture to my hair first, and I'm using this spray bottle. I'm going to go in with this tea tree oil and just take a little bit of that and just kind of massage it throughout that first section. Now I'm going into this Curls Creme Brulee. Sorry, it's not focused. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of that and just massage it throughout that first section as well. So next I'm going to begin at the nape of my head, and I'm just going to work in very small sections. So I'm going to pin most of that hair out of the way, and I'm going to start by adding even more water to my head. And then I'm going to take my Demon brush and just kind of make sure that it's detangled and see how my curls kind of clump together after I do that. So I'm going to be using the Kinky Curling Custard. I know this is like an old school product. I haven't been natural very long, so I'm still in that phase where I'm just trying out new products. I normally do this using Eco Styler gel, but I wanted to try something different. So I'm just using that Kinky Curly and just going in and finger coiling my hair, adding more product when I feel it is necessary. So yeah, as you can see, the sections I'm taking here, and this part of my hair is curling pretty nicely with little effort. Now, as I continued throughout my head, I did have to start going in with doing smaller sections because the bigger sections, it was just a little too thick. And yeah, so my hair texture is in the 4s, and I don't know, there's some parts of my hair that coil really well, and then there were other parts of my hair that I was just kind of struggling with. So yeah, my coils were not all the same, but I guess that's the beauty of having natural hair. So I'm just going to continue to go through my head and finger coil all of my hair using the Kinky Curling Custard. I did go in with some pieces too with a little Eco Styler gel just to see if I could tell a difference, but I don't know, I couldn't really see a difference between the Kinky Curly and the Eco Styler. So just stay tuned and I'll jump back on camera when it's all finished. And here's how it looks once it is all finger coiled. So I did this at nighttime, and I was hoping to do it at night to wear it the next day. So I'm going to take this ginormous bonnet and I'm going to put that over my head. I had no idea how this would or wouldn't turn out with me sleeping on it, but I did my best to kind of not sleep like just directly on my head. It was one of those black girl nights when you're trying to preserve your hairstyle. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and I'm gonna go to bed. So this is the next day, and I didn't know what to expect, so this is how it looked once I took the bonnet off, and my hair was not dry. So I'm just going to do my best to kind of style it the best that I could. I was trying to like slick this side back, and I'm also gonna go in with the pick and try to fluff it out, but since it was still wet, I didn't want to pick it too much because then I was like, it's just gonna ruin all the definition that I had. And yeah, so this is just me kind of trying to figure out how to style this hair. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on my natural hair. Hey everybody, so I'm here with the final look of the wash and go. Basically, I did this last night. I slept with the bonnet on my head, and I know that my hair takes a long time to dry, so I was hoping that by the time I woke up in the morning that it would be dry, but it's definitely still pretty wet. I do like the definition that I got. I got a lot of definition and a lot of curls, and I really love the way my curls look. This side I kind of messed up trying to slick back, but yeah, I don't know if I'm going to wear my hair like this for the rest of the day, just because I do have somewhere to be in 50 minutes, and yeah. But as far as the definition goes, I really love the definition. I love the way my curls look. But I'm gonna be honest, while I love the definition, I'm still just a little insecure, I guess you can say, with the overall shape and the length of my hair. So I guess we'll jump right into this natural hair update. So it has been 7 months since I big chopped, and it's been 1.5 years since I stopped relaxing. So I have about 1.5 years of growth, and this is my hair. As far as my hair being completely natural, I'll leave like my natural hair videos down below if you're curious about my journey, but I've pretty much been relaxed all my life, and so now that I am completely natural, I love it. I don't have anything negative to say. So I wanted to pause and chime in real quick, but I wanted to mention that ever since I've become fully natural, my scalp has been very sensitive. Growing up, I don't recall being like super tender-headed, but I don't know, it's not that I'm even tender-headed, but like my scalp is just very sensitive, and with any kind of hairstyle, eventually, like, I just feel like it gets really tender. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of say that, and I wanted to ask if any of you ever experienced that, and if you did, how long did it last, and does it ever go away? My hair is super thick, and yeah, for the most part, I love it. I am in the 4 range, so as you guys can kind of see, I'll probably insert the picture here. When my hair is dry, it's very coarse and very just thick and fluffy, so I wanted to see what kind of definition I could get. That's why I did this wash and go. This is actually my 3rd time actually styling my natural hair. For the most part, since I've big chopped and the whole time I've transitioned, I've pretty much been in protective styles, so wigs, weaves, braids, and like in between styles. Like I wear my hair in a bun or something, but I rarely like
style my hair, just because, like I said before, I am still a bit insecure about the length, and styling just takes a long time. It took me 2 hours to do this last night, and yeah, no one has 2 hours to do their hair every day. So I'm probably just going to continue to do protective styling for the rest of the year. I do want to get a trim, and I do want to get my hair kind of shaped some so that I can start wearing it more in its natural state, and hopefully like it'll help me feel better about how it looks. But as far as like my curls and everything go, like I love the texture and I love the curl pattern of my hair. Like that I'm okay with. If I could just get it to a length and to a style that I like I can't wait to wear my natural hair. For the most part, I'm just focusing on health and retention. Like throughout my relaxed years, I always struggled with length retention, so I've never had super long hair, so I do want to see how long my hair can get, but overall I do want my hair to be healthy. I still don't have like a set hair regimen. Because like I said, I'm in protective styles most of the time. I wash, condition my hair, moisturize, blow dry it, and braid it back up. So yeah, I'm not doing any other heat other than blow drying, but because I'm always braiding my hair down, I just do prefer to blow dry my hair before I braid it up and put it in any protective style. I think once I start actually wearing my hair more, I'll kind of develop more of a regimen, because right now I'm using, I don't always use this, but right now I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter shampoo, and then I've been using the Aussie conditioner. I've been using that for a while. And then to moisturize, sometimes I'll use the Cantu Shea Butter moisturizing cream. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a cream. I'll use that sometimes, and then I swear by like Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil sometimes. So yeah, that's my hair regimen right now. As far as length goes, I do have quite a bit of length. So it hits me about right here, but obviously it shrinks up. When I first big chopped, I had a little bit of heat damage in the front. For the most part, I cut all of that off, but I do feel like my curls are still a tad bit looser in the front part of my head. I was taking supplements like biotin on and off while I was transitioning. I think I'm going to start taking it again just to see if I notice anything with my hair length. Yeah, like I said, for the most part, I don't even wear my natural hair that much, but as it continues to grow, I do want to at least start, you know, maybe once a month wearing it in a natural style for like the weekend or something, just to continue to learn how to style and do my hair. Again, these are my curls. They're really pretty. If I could just figure out how to style it and not look, I don't know. I just don't know what to do with it. It'll poll on Instagram. If you're not following me, definitely follow me. The Wash and Go won. But next time I'm definitely going to try to do a twist out, something that's going to give me a little more, that's going to stretch my hair a little bit more. And I think that, yeah, I may like that a little more. But yeah, that's it. I need to hurry up because I need to get out of here. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more natural hair videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. And I will see you on next video. Bye.